There was something in the water that made me go wild. Made me go wild.
Hey up everybody, back in Lanzarote today, Puerto del Carmen in Old Town area. Need to get some food, watch football, have a few beers and just have a little look about this area of Puerto del Carmen, Old Town, do a few drinks, bit of day drinking, and the weather is absolutely glorious. Not a cloudy sky and it's red hot.
And now that winter's come and gone, I'm 17 again. My heart is beating stronger.
Where are you from?
Barnsley.
Thought so. Yeah.
Come on, I'll buy you a drink anyway, come on.
Is football on?
Yeah, come on.
He's just saying you anyway, isn't
Yeah.
He's a Newcastle fan, so we have to get this game in against Spurs.
So, Rich, we're walking past, I just say, Yorkshire Lee, in a very broad Barnsley accent. Rich has dragged us up, he's offered to buy us a drink. And what's your better half called? Alison.
It's got to be baps and flaps.
We aren't spilling any. Cheers, everybody! Yeah, cheers, everybody! Courtesy of them two lovely subscribers from Barnes, I've just come up here so I can see football. Man U and Fulham's on at the minute. February 1st today, don't get much better than that, does it? Absolutely gorgeous. Sat here, roasting hot, t-shirt and shorts on, sunglasses, watching football, pint tropical. You can't whack it. See you later! Thanks for the drink. Right, we're going in DJ's Irish bar here. Looks like they do food and that and all. And we're going to watch Man United game because we've got that on as well. It's more like it. Just put my order in. I'm getting a Sunday dinner. Well, we both are. Sunday dinner with beef. And we've got a right view at telly. Nobody else in, but so.
Put my ice in second, mate.
Won't surprise me.
Cheers.
Cheers. Just got a Coca-Cola. Me and Nelly's just saying, oh, man, there's nobody in there. It's a bit on back streets. Hopefully it's like a little hidden gem. And don't judge me. I've got a Coke because I'm eating. I don't like drinking lager with my dinner. Cheers, everybody. This looks all right, doesn't it? Try beef. Looks piping hot, covered in gravy. Nice, is that nice and tender? Stuffing's good and all. Mash test, spot on. No lumps inside, is there? Get Yorkshire try. Good as that. Probably not homemade, but it's good. Well, that was DJ's Irish bar, and I tell you what, that Sunday dinner was bloody lovely. Just enough. Meat was tender. Veg was nice, I didn't eat much of that to be fair, but stuffing was lovely, mash was nice, can't complain. You enjoyed it, didn't you, mate?
Yeah, didn't even have time to chew it.
Just heading off to look for another bar now. We're heading up towards like front area, like Wet Dockies, Harbour or whatever, and meant to be a few good bars, aren't there?
Feels like summer. There was something in your eyes that made me let go. Made me let go. Made me let go.
Walking about down this harbour area, it seems like there's a few bars and eateries and that, but I've seen a place that's still got football on, so we're going to watch the rest of this and then we'll have a little look about at some other places as well. Just gone for a tropical, but I've got to admit that Sunday dinner, it's made me stuffed, I can't get knocked down. I'm a bag of nerves. Man United, it's never boring, not these days anyway. 2-0 up, 2-2, and then 93rd minute or something we get a winner. Oh, absolutely fantastic, as Gary Barlow would say. Oh, I'm a nervous wreck. Anyway, finishing up his drink here, and we're going to have a little look round Old Town, see if there's any more bars we fancy going in. I've had a few recommendations, so might be able to check them out. Well, just paid for the bill in this bar here, the Le Tabanata. It were $8.54 for 2 beers. It's a day, do. Hang on, we've got a lad here.
Sam, my man.
You alright?
I'm good, my man. How are you?
I'm good. Scotland?
Scotland. Going to Shellick.
Alright. We've come into Migo's rooftop bar. It's nice up here. Right, go. Got a cruise campo in here, nice frozen glass. Cheers everybody. Making us plans for the rest of the journey, and we're flying off to Tenerife at morning, and we've decided to base ourselves in Playas Las Americas. It's central to everything. We've got good nightlife down there. We can go to Los Cristianos or Costa Rica if we want as well. So I thought, yeah, why not? We're going to be there 4 nights, so we'll just get settled a little bit. It'll make a change from packing and unpacking every day, to be fair. Sir, not bad outlook, is it, mate? No. Tell you what, one of my subscribers, Claire Standen, has just commented on Facebook saying this is her favourite bar, and you know what? I can see why. It's lovely, great chilled, nice kind of like jazzy music on. You could just spend all afternoon here. Cheers, mate. We've come in another bar that were recommended to me, Scotch Corner now. Got a pint of tropical, $2.50 a pint, well cheaper than next door. I think he mischarged me there. £4 bloody odd each. Well, it's a lovely little outlook here, just chilling, having a pint, nice vibe going on, nice people here. Can't beat it. And sun today is bloody scorched. I'm burnt my legs. I can tell that I'm going to be sunburnt. Going to have to get some aloe vera on them. Somebody mentioned that before. They said it was a pretty good boozer.
And it feels like summer.
Just walking down past the harbour now. It's beautiful. Sun's coming down. It's getting all hazy and I don't know what's the word, like mystical. Looks nice, majestic.
Live for the long nights, live for the good times, and I will need
My Kitchen by Julius. I've heard that is meant to be really good actually. For Sunday dinner I got recommended. Is it any good? Let me know in the comments down below. Maybe next time I'm over here I'll check it out, but we've eaten, haven't we? So won't be today, sadly. We'll have to be next visit over here.
I'm 17 again, my heart is beating stronger.
Right, we're going to try this Heineken bar out. I'm guessing we're going to get an Heineken. Well, we've come in this Heineken bar and it's quite a nice setup for football. If I'd have known it on by earlier, I'd have probably come in to watch a United game, but yeah, it's alright. Here we've ordered, guess what we've ordered at Heineken bar? 2 pints of Heineken. It's got to be on it. Got a pint of Heineken. It's in an Amstel glass, but it is Heineken. Let's give it a whirl. I haven't had an Heineken in ages, I don't think. It's alright, that. Nice pint actually, nice and cold.
It feels like summer.
Hey guys, we've just been down to Heineken bar. We're alright there, a bit expensive though, we're like €9.
I dropped on for 2 belters.
I got one though, mate, to be fair. It was €9, yeah?
That one, yeah.
So we've had a couple day rounds down this area, a few actually. So I think if you're down here, be prepared to pay a bit more for your pints.
I suppose you're paying for view.
Ah, you're paying for outlook, aren't you?
Not a great view in Heineken, to be fair.
No. So, a bit of a day-do down here, guys. Anyway, we're moving on now. We're going to try, somebody recommended Drunken Monkey, so we're going to try that. Right guys, me and Nelly have just had a quite energetic stroll up here. We nearly were running, I was busting, I nearly peed myself, I'm not going to lie. Anyway, got to Drunken Monkey and we've seen the subscribers from Barnsley again. Gonna get in and get a drink and we'll go say hello. Where are you from, mate?
I'm from Ipswich, mate. How about yourself?
Castleford, West Yorkshire, near Leeds, Leeds-ish.
No, Barnsley.
Yeah.
How do you get these two?
Oh, posh Yorkshire people. Posh Yorkshire people here. What? So, do you want to be on it? Do you want to introduce yourself?
We're not from Harrogate.
Oh, where are you from then? Introduce yourself.
Markington.
All right. Is it near that neck of woods though? Kinda. And what's your name, mate?
My name's Gandhi, and I'm the man who fucked a monkey in a dustbin and come out without a scratch.
I don't know if I can leave that in, but
I am the drunken monkey.
all right.
Bloke's just like,
Rack door open. What? Why are you having a pull?
no, I was like washing my hands, and he went, oh, I need a piss, mate. And I went, mate, you shouldn't even be in here.
That's out of order, isn't it?
Oh, I can't hear you, can't hear you.
They did San Miguel, Carwin, and something else anyway. Coors maybe. It's 2 for €5, €2.50 each San Miguel anyway. Cheers, mate. So cheaper one up here. €5, yeah. €5 up here. Cheers, everybody.
I want to look more like you. Can I borrow your hairspray? I know what you're on about, to be fair, mate. You're just having a go at me all the time, like, for now. I'm fed up with it. Like, what's up now?
You look like Flash Gordon.
Oh.
Flash Gordon, Flash.
I've had a few highlights in my hair.
Yeah.
A few highlights, and I'm getting ridiculed for it.
You like Rod Stewart off Timu. I thought it were Red Joldsworth.
That's it. It's been over there. I don't know why you're laughing. Why are you laughing?
Well, this wind has been playing havoc with my hair. Look at it now. Cheers, everybody. Look at Alison's hat here. I think it suits her very well. Sorry. I'm only kidding, she's a lovely lady. Hey, she must do to put up with him, I tell you that now.
What I'm trying to say, dickhead.
Yeah, exactly. I think point proven. Look at this here. I'm a trendsetter. Hey,
I feel like a young Barbara Windsor.
young.
Oh!
Sorry, too far, too.
Bitch.
Because I am the drunken monkey.
What are they from,
The Drunken Monkey, Lanzarote. You did have one last year though.
Gandhi from Markington, I am the man.
Did you have one last year though?
Yeah, fucking dog chewed the bastard, didn't it?
I thought it didn't fit you no more.
Well, it sunk it once.
See you later, guys.
See you in Benidorm.
I see you in Benidorm. Right, guys. We've had a good laugh here with guys here from Barnsley. Good set of guys. We're just walking back to hotel now, but I hope you enjoyed this little. To be fair, I'm kind of a little bit upset we haven't done a proper session up here on a night, but we can always come back. But it seems pretty lively up here, to be fair. Looking about. Yeah, we were going to do that last night, but we ended up getting involved with our two good mates, subscribers, Joe and Phil. Anyway, we're going to get up to hotel now, have an earliest night, because tomorrow we are jetting off to another Canary Island. We're going to Tenerife. We've got Paul here, and what's your name, sweetheart?
Kira.
Kira, are you from? I'm guessing Ireland.
Ireland, yeah.
Southern or Northern?
Western.
Western?
Yeah, Sligo.
Oh, Sligo, yeah. Close enough.
Options.
But Paul's been messaging me some Tenerife. Where are we? Some Lanzarote suggestions. We're going to Tenerife tomorrow.
Oh, very
yeah,
nice.
how long are you here for?
Come back Tuesday.
Are you?
Yeah.
Yeah, you've been here before, do you like it?
Yeah, I came here this time last year, but stayed up in Matagorda.
Been a lovely day, hasn't it, today? Been
yeah.
gorgeous.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yesterday was a bit rainy, but today.
Yeah.
Good times, and I will need you there. 'Cause now that winter's come and gone, I'm 17 again. My heart is beating stronger.
Right, just getting back to his hotel now, guys. It's the Gloria Zaro. I think we're going to go straight into the dining room. So here's the food at the Gloria Zaro. You've got your salad, your veggies, you've got salmon, paella, Canarian potatoes, of course, and some other main courses there like stews, chicken and mushroom and all that. Here's my rather eclectic choice for dinner. I hope you've enjoyed this look round Puerto del Carmen Old Town. and a look at some of its bars, and that Sunday dinner looked fantastic, didn't it? It was delicious. Anyway, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. There's plenty more adventures coming from the Canary Islands. See you next one. Ta-ra!